Hello and welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today's video I'm going to be doing a book review of Jacqueline Woodson, Red at the Bone. Now I received this arc back in June when I was at BookCon, and this was at the Penguin Random House Ice Cream Social. It was the only copy there. I was eyeing it, so I was very happy when I was able to leave with this copy. I didn't want to read it yet. I wanted to read it closer to the release date, which is September 17th. And what I would say is, this book surprised me. I did not expect to have this overwhelming emotion towards the end of this book. And let me just start off by saying this is a book about a teen pregnancy and how it affected two families. And the way the story is written, you're getting bits and pieces of the two families. You're getting the parents of the girl, and also you're getting bits and pieces of the parents of the guy, as well as the teen themselves. And the way Jacqueline Woodson wrote this book, it gives you just enough, but then also have you wanting more and wanting to really get the character, especially the teen mom, Iris, as she got older and her coping with being a mom and also trying to have more than just the title of a teen mom. In this story, you deal with parenting as well as you have in terms of the girl. Her parents are, have made it, there you hear the bits of piece to her of their lives, where they've went to college and they've made accomplished things, and they have this high expectation and things that they want for their child. And just imagine your child now is a teen mom and you don't know how to take it, and you also have for the teen mom, fully aware of the accomplishment and the goals and things that she was supposed to do in the story. Then there also the male character, and there are some positive male character in the story. You also understand the teen father in this as well, and and there's moments where you feel for him, and but then you also understand where he's coming from and his upbringing and how he's accepting the situation completely different from how Iris is accepting it. I was completely taken back when the way the story is written, and you are getting layers, and they're coming off of Iris, and you're starting to get her, because there's things that's happening in the story that you're not clear why she's doing this, why she's feels this way. But as you kind of get into her character and get into her head, I had that moment where I'm like, yeah, I know this character and I understand her. And that's when the moment when the tears came, and I was like, wow. There's a subject that was unfolded. There's things that unfolded that is something that I've talked about with friends and I've written about, and it's things that you hold on to, especially as women, and things that happen at a young age, and how you accept and deal with relationship and what you want and not showing what you want sometimes, and how that can affect everything around you. And it may seem heartless at time, or to other people, but you yourself are trying to discover and embrace and accept and getting past those hurdles that you created in your mind at a young age. I absolutely love this book. It is definitely a lot in short, in a short book. This book is under 200 pages. The arc is under 200 pages. I'm not sure what the final copy is, but it is a short read, and it's a read that will get you, that will grip you. And Jacqueline Woodson's writing style is definitely something that I feel made the story more impactful, because this is not a new topic. This is not the things that happen in the story is not necessarily new to people who have read family drama or teen pregnancy drama, but it's how she writes it and how she's put the messages in the storyline is what made this amazing, which is why for me it was a 5-star read. And I highly recommend people pick it up. If you love Jacqueline Woodson's previous stories that you've read, you will definitely love this one. It is not as straightforward as you would want it to be if you're a person that don't like books like that. But it gives you enough that you will want to think, and you will want to understand these characters, and sometimes there are things that are relatable that you wouldn't think, but as you read in it you realize, wow, yeah, that was deep. And that's how I felt about this this book. Recommend it, pick it up, and if you've read it, let me know how you felt. And if you plan on reading it, you know, let me know that too. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video here, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye.